Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Have you ever found yourself staring at your laptop and wishing you didn't have to choose between portability and raw, unadulterated power? For years, the laptop industry has forced us into a corner. If you wanted a massive screen and top-tier performance for video editing, gaming, or heavy multitasking, you had to break your back carrying around a heavy brick. And if you wanted something light and ultra-portable, you had to sacrifice performance. Well, what if I told you that compromise is officially dead? Today, we are diving deep into the absolute marvel of engineering that is the LG Gram Pro 16-inch lightweight laptop. Specifically, we're looking at the maxed-out, insanely powerful Intel Evo 16 edition, packed with the brand-new Intel Core Ultra 9 285H, dedicated NVIDIA RTX 505 graphics, an absurd 32 gigabytes of RAM, and a massive 2 terabyte SSD. This thing is an absolute monster, dressed in a sleek, ultra-portable tuxedo. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details of why this might just be the perfect laptop for creators, professionals, and everyday power users, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And hey, if at any point during this video you decide you need this beast on your desk, I've dropped a link right at the top of the description below where you can check the current pricing and pick one up on Amazon. Clicking that link helps out the channel at absolutely no extra cost to you, so thank you for the support. Let's kick things off with the design and build, because this is where LG absolutely bends the laws of physics. The name Gram isn't just a marketing gimmick, it is a promise. Despite housing a massive 16-inch display, a dedicated graphics card, and a cooling system to handle an Ultra 9 processor, this entire machine weighs just exactly 3 pounds. Let me repeat that, 3 pounds. When you pick it up, it actually plays a trick on your brain. A laptop of this size, measuring 14.1 inches long, 9.9 inches wide, and an incredibly thin 0.62 inches thick, simply should not feel this light. You can slide this sleek, matte black machine into your backpack, and you will honestly forget it's even in there. It is the ultimate travel companion for anyone who refuses to be tied to a desk. But you aren't just buying this for the weight, you're buying it for the real estate. Opening the lid reveals a breathtaking 16-inch IPS LCD display. We're looking at a stunning 2560 by 1600 pixel native resolution. That 16 by 10 aspect ratio gives you so much more vertical space compared to standard screens, which is an absolute game changer if you spend your days reading long articles, writing code, or managing complex timelines in Premiere Pro. And it gets better. This panel features a variable refresh rate that scales from 31 Hz all the way up to a buttery smooth 144 Hz. Whether you're quickly scrolling through web pages, scrubbing through video edits, or playing some fast-paced games after a long day of work, everything feels incredibly fluid and responsive. Plus, LG knows that professionals work everywhere, from dimly lit coffee shops to brightly lit airport lounges. That's why they equipped this screen with an anti-glare matte finish and a maximum brightness of 400 nits. You won't be staring at your own reflection while trying to get work done. You get crisp, clear visuals no matter your environment. Now, let's get under the hood, because the performance of this LG Gram Pro 16 is where things get truly wild. This is an Intel Evo Edition laptop, which means it meets strict standards for responsiveness, wake times, and battery life. But the beating heart of this machine is the Intel Core Ultra 9 285H processor. This is top-of-the-line silicon. Whether you are crunching massive Excel spreadsheets, compiling complex software code, or running intense AI applications, the Ultra 9 cuts through it like a hot knife through butter. Paired with that powerhouse CPU is an incredible 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. In today's world, 16 gigabytes is starting to feel like the bare minimum, but with 32 gigs, this laptop is entirely future-proofed. You can have 40 Chrome tabs open, Spotify streaming in the background, Photoshop loaded up, and a 4K video rendering all at the same time, and this laptop will not even break a sweat. You will never see a stutter, a lag, or a slowdown. And to hold all your projects, games, and media, LG has blessed us with a massive 2 terabyte solid-state drive. That is an ocean of storage. You won't need to carry around annoying external hard drives anymore. All your files, movies, and heavy applications fit right on the machine. But wait, we aren't done with performance. In a chassis this thin and light, you usually have to rely on integrated graphics. Not here. The LG Gram Pro 16 is packing a dedicated NVIDIA RTX 5050 graphics card. This bridges the gap between a business laptop and a creator workstation. With the RTX 5050, you have the hardware acceleration you need for 3D rendering, complex graphic design, and serious video editing. And yes, when it's time to clock out of work, this GPU has more than enough muscle to handle modern gaming at excellent frame rates. It turns this lightweight productivity machine into a true entertainment and personal powerhouse. You might be thinking, okay, an Ultra 9 processor, a dedicated RTX graphics card, and a 144Hz 16-inch screen, the battery life must be terrible, right? Wrong. LG has somehow managed to stuff a massive 90-watt-hour lithium-ion battery into this 3-pound frame. LG claims up to an astonishing 27 hours of battery life on a single charge. Now, as tech enthusiasts, we know that number is under ideal, light usage conditions, but even if you were pushing this laptop hard with heavy multitasking, high brightness, and the 144Hz refresh rate engaged, you are comfortably going to get through a full, intense workday and probably a long flight without ever needing to reach for your charger. Speaking of interacting with the laptop, the input devices are top-notch. You get a full-sized backlit keyboard that is incredibly comfortable to type on for hours, complete with a dedicated numeric pad on the right side. If you work with numbers, finance, or data entry, that numpad is an absolute lifesaver. Below that is a massive precision touchpad with scroll and gesture support. It is highly responsive and makes navigating Windows 11 Home an absolute joy. LG also packed this machine with incredible quality of life features. You get an HD front-facing webcam for all your Zoom meetings, crystal clear HD audio supported by Dolby Atmos for immersive movie watching and music listening, and biometric SSD security to keep your personal files locked down tight. It also comes preloaded with smart software like LG Update and Renew, LG Gram Link to seamlessly connect your mobile devices, and LG's proprietary Gram AI to optimize your workflow. And don't worry about living the dongle life. Despite being ultra-portable, this laptop is fully equipped for the real world. It supports a vast array of compatible devices with its versatile ports. You have HDMI and DisplayPort video outputs, Thunderbolt, USB ports, and of course, blazing fast Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Whether you need to connect to an external monitor at your desk, plug in a gaming mouse, or transfer files from a high-speed storage drive, you are completely covered. So what is the final verdict? The LG Gram Pro 16 is nothing short of an engineering masterpiece. It is built for the modern professional, the on-the-go creator, and anyone who demands top-tier performance without the back-breaking weight. You're getting one of the fastest processors on the market with the Ultra 9, excellent graphical power with the RTX 5050, a gorgeous 144Hz 16-inch display, 32 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes of storage, and insane battery life, all wrapped up in a sleek, black, 3-pound package. If you want a laptop that genuinely does it all without compromise, this is the one to get. If you're ready to upgrade your tech setup and get your hands on the LG Gram Pro 16, make sure you click the link down in the description box below. It will take you straight to Amazon where you can secure yours today. If you found this review helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps push the video out to more people. Leave a comment down below letting me know what feature of the LG Gram Pro you are most excited about. Is it the 3-pound weight or that crazy RTX 5050 graphics card? And of course, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out on my latest tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.